Hello again, Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here doing a walk around with you on a 2019 Chevy Equinox LT. The point of our walk arounds is to be as transparent as possible, showing you all the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description, which highlights features and options of the Equinox, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either of those, plus get a free CARFAX report, see the original window sticker, get some financing options, or get a shipping quote to ship the Equinox anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of this video, we'll allow you to hear the engine running on this Equinox. So let's get to that walk around. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, walking around the Equinox. This is going to be fairly quick. As you can see, the treads are really good. You're not going to see very much here. Very tiny chips on the hood, because this Equinox has 9,000 miles. Being that it has 9,000 miles, the paint is in impeccable, above average condition. No dents, scratches, dings. If you're looking for a low mile family SUV, you might want to consider this one. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, to show you what you can't see in our photos, which is the headliner. The fact that it seems to be a non-smoker from the smell of it. And the dash is in like new condition. But if you have any questions about the condition, inside or out, please give Jennifer a call. Her number is located at the top of your screen. Thanks again for joining us.